This is going to be a quick introduction to using databases at the Brooklyn Tech Library. From our website, you're going to go to the research page and you're going to need a password. You can get that at the library or by emailing a librarian. I've already put it in, so it's going straight to the databases. You can see here the first two, JSTOR and ProQuest. These are expensive resources and they're commonly used by universities, so it might be a good idea to get familiar with them. JSTOR is a database of quality academic journals and also ebooks, but the articles may not be as recent. And ProQuest is a search tool that searches many databases and it has a broader range of media and it tends to be more current. The next four, actually the next five, are Gale databases. These are free in New York State, so when it asks you if you're in New York, you must say yes, otherwise you won't be able to get in. Opposing Viewpoints tends to have articles on controversial topics, and Academic OneFile has a broad range of journal articles. You may want to see other targeted databases under the Gale database link, or you might be interested in Salem Online, which are ebooks generally related to literature, but they have other research topics as well. There are other free links below, but I'd like to show you a quick search in ProQuest. Let's see. I put in the search terms here. So I put Battle of Marathon in quotes because I want to see that as a phrase rather than those words. I want the words together. And moon, I'm looking for the impact of the moon on this battle. And I got 82 results, which isn't tons. I could search them, but I want to narrow it down a little bit. I'm going to limit my search to full text because I don't want just abstracts. So I want to see the full article. And if I click on peer-reviewed, that means reviewed by experts in the field. I'm going to limit it even more to scholarly journals. I can limit it by date, but because this is a historical event, I don't mind articles that aren't the most recent. And I can also look by publication title, and I can see I'm not really interested in poetry or medicine, but classical antiquity might be